Rich, we're at Advanced Mechanical Enterprises,
Yes.
one of your 2 sites in Fort Lauderdale. Can you give us some background on AME Solutions?
AME has been around 26 years, and we are a company specializing in machinery services. We use laser alignment and vibration analysis to fix problems.
What is vibration analysis, Rich?
Vibration analysis is using sensors such as accelerometers to pick up vibration frequencies and amplitudes to be able to troubleshoot problems on a sea trial, such as misalignment, misfire in the engine, bent shaft, poor propeller, etc., etc.
Now, what are the specific benefits of vibration analysis to the meg yacht industry?
The reason why we want to do a vibration survey before a dry docking period, for example, is because you want to put your resources and your efforts to what needs to be fixed and what needs to be done.
Real quick, Rich, can you give us a specific example how you overcame a customer's challenges?
A brand new yacht that came in of a shipyard, and they couldn't for the life of them figure out what the cause of this vibration was. We did a vibration survey, and we were able to identify that there were improper installation of the engine mounts, and we were able to fix it. The boat runs beautiful, the owner's happy.
It's great to have you on board as an IGY and Club strategic partner, Rich. Thank you.
Thanks, Bert.